the colder sun, met the colder sun, met the colder sun, met the colder sun, met the colder sun, the colder sun, met the colder sun, way.
What did you make today?
Make cupcakes.
What did you put in them?
Banana.
Did you put banana? What else?
Cocoa.
Yeah. And did we put soap?
Soap.
No. We didn't put soap in the cupcakes.
No.
Did we put sugar?
Put sugar.
Butter
And cupcakes.
in the cupcakes and yogurt.
Okay.
You think they're gonna be good?
Wanna go see
You're
them?
gonna go see? Come on, Petey, let's go see.
Yeah. Wanna go see in here.
Okay, let's go see.
Wanna go see in here.
Okay,
Wanna sit down.
okay, sit down. Where are the cupcakes?
I wanna open it.
Okay, that's for Cat to do. Okay, step back, it's very hot. Oh, they're almost done.
Almost done. They're almost done. Take them out.
Okay. Does it smell nice?
Smell nice.
Okay.
Smell nice.
And all the bowls. Yeah, made a big mess.
Made a big mess. That's have water on it.
Gonna clean it all up. How's the sun go?
We're going sun. Make the color sun. The white. White word.
Okay, can you say goodbye to the? Can you say goodbye now? Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye wave. Can you wave? Bye bye.